Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Even though Nifty opened with a gap down, it quickly showed some positive momentum towards the upside. The same thing happened in Bank Nifty today. After this gap down, market held on to an important range from where it quickly started recovering. Now from what level did the market recover? To discuss about that, let me take you to our free Telegram channel. Traders, today morning in our free Telegram channel, somewhere around 9 o'clock, before the market opens, I shared my view about Bank Nifty. Here, one important thing that you need to notice is this point, breakout confirmation. I said that if Bank Nifty breaks the trend line, 47,269 can act as a supporting area. Only plan for put option trade if Bank Nifty retest and breaks 47,269 supporting level. This will indicate strength in sellers. Now, if you open Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty took support exactly near 47,269. From here, we could see a reversal. The market did not retest and break towards the downside to show selling pressure. So our supporting level which we discussed in the market worked perfectly. And if you remember in our yesterday analysis video itself, we had discussed continuously this level is acting as a support. So this was about Bank Nifty. And around 9 o'clock when I spoke about Nifty's trading setup, on a 15 minutes time frame chart, we have identified a significant supporting level which is 22,267. Please monitor the support level very closely. Any breakdown below this can show selling pressure in the market. On a 5 minutes time frame chart, we clearly said that anticipate a potential reversal at 0.618 level of Fibonacci retracement levels if Nifty opens flat or experience a gap down. Now, if you check Nifty, it opened with a gap down, took support near 0.618 level of Fibonacci. After this, there was a continuous momentum towards the upside. Now, after the pre-market report, the further update was shared in the private Telegram group. So morning 9:25 a.m. we discussed about important resistance and support for Nifty and important support and resistance level for Bank Nifty. Market perfectly respected this level. Anyone who entered call option, this might be their point of exit in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty also you can see this is the area from where market was showing some reversal. Now in the second update which I shared in private Telegram group around 11 a.m. while speaking about Bank Nifty, I said that even though market is at resistance, please be very careful at this area because this kind of setup is possible in market and Bank Nifty has a potential of making a bigger momentum towards the upside, somewhere close to 47,700 or 800 level. And when Nifty was at the resistance level, it was showing some bearishness. I said there is a high possibility that Nifty can form a flag pattern. But my expectation honestly was Nifty will close within this range, but Bank Nifty will perform well. Later point you can see Bank Nifty gave a breakout, moved towards the upside. Anyone who entered put option trade, definitely they would be in trouble. And in Nifty also, it created a flag pattern. I expected it to close within this range, but it gave a bullish flag pattern breakout. To a large extent, market worked in our favor today. Majority of the things that we discussed played out really well. So this was the recap of today's market. Now let's see what kind of setup we have for tomorrow's Nifty expiry. Traders, there is a lot of interesting things which I would like to discuss with you in today's Nifty analysis, both in terms of price action as well as market psychology. So please listen very carefully. Now, first thing is about price action. Yesterday only I have discussed with you, market has formed a left shoulder ahead and a right shoulder is pending. You can see market today to a certain extent it has shown some bullishness and it has tested day side. This is a clear sign of bullish head and shoulder pattern. Usually the length of the head will be the target towards the upside. One more thing is this is a perfect head and shoulder pattern because the left shoulder is bigger than the right shoulder. Right shoulder is small. That is how it has to be when there is buying pressure in the market. But what is the problem here? The problem is market do not have space to move. Now you tell me, as a retail trader at the upper level, will you think about booking your profit or will you confidently enter the trade at this zone as the market moves towards the upside? Where will you place your target? For that fear itself, you will not think to participate in the market that much. But at the upper level, people will definitely be interested to enter a put option because they know where to place their stop loss in case the market reverses. So first point, Nifty, even though it is making a bullish head and shoulder pattern, but since it is at all-time high level, people will not be that confident to enter a call option trade. Second point, If market keeps moving towards the upside, people will start booking their profit. Anyone who's done long-term investment also, right? So this also you take into consideration. Now, second price action setup is market has formed a cup. Now it can create a handle for some more time before it gives any kind of movement towards the upside. To give a movement towards the upside, market needs some kind of positive news. Let's say they started to reduce the interest rate. That is positive news. Next is Q4 results. You can see here from next weekend, I think from next Friday, big companies will start announcing their Q4 results. Here we have TCS, Bajaj Auto. So based on the news, market can turn positive. Next, very soon we have election. So election results might impact the market. So even though market is forming two kinds of price action patterns, still for the movement to happen, there has to be some kind of positive news which is not already factored in. So that is why I'm not considering to enter a call option if market breaks this level. All this I explained to you on a 1 hour time frame chart. So as of now, we have discussed what is the market sentiment based on price action and what can be the market sentiment as of now based on election, interest rate cut, or the results which is happening. But for tomorrow, what kind of setup would be the best? For that, let's say I switch to 15 minutes time frame. The levels what we discuss here stays the same even on a 5 minutes time frame. Now from this bottom, if I draw a trend line like this, now what you can see is continuously this trend line is acting as a good supporting area in the market. Even today market is closed here. Like I already informed, if market moves towards the upside, I don't know how far the market will go. So I'm not interested in a call option trade. Suddenly, if market moves towards the upside, let it move. Later, we can decide what to be done next. But let's say tomorrow market is trading within this range, then definitely no trade. At some point of time, I feel market can stay bearish to sideways. This trend line has been tested many times. Let's say market broke this level, people entered at the support, again it broke this area. Then with small stop loss, I will consider a put option trade where this will be my first target and this will be my second target. So for a small stop loss, bigger target is available. For that, I'm ready to take the risk. Or let's say market opened within this range. Let it break this level, retest, again gives a breakdown, maybe stop loss here, because I know at this point I can exit. If it's moving towards the downside, these level will be my target. In case market directly opens at this breakdown, immediately I will not enter. I will wait for some time. Later point of time when the day's low is broken, with small stop loss, I will plan for a put option trade that this will be the first target, this will be the second target. On expiry, if market is extremely bearish, bigger target can be achieved. But one thing we need to understand is market has created a M pattern here. Already people would have thought of entering put option trade. So in that case, market can recover a bit. So at random places, we cannot plan for a put. We'll wait for certain levels, then we can consider put option trade. Maybe for the first 15 minutes, we will wait and see what is the price action of the market. But let's say here it gives a breakout. Here again, if it forms M pattern, after tapping all these people, know the stop loss hunting level. That time if market is moving towards the downside, we can plan for a put option trade. So basically, my view about the market is bearish as long as there is any positive news. Market can stay bearish to sideways for quite some time. So at some important levels, I will try to identify a breakdown setup and plan my trade. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel in pre-market report. Additional details will be shared in the private Telegram group during the live market. So this is about Nifty. Let's look into Bank Nifty. Traders, this is 30 minutes time frame chart of Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we have already discussed about this raising wedge pattern. This is a bearish price action pattern where in case market moves towards the downside, all of these levels can be our target. This I'm saying based on price action. But here you would notice that I have marked two important levels, 47,729 and 47,269. Yes, the range is big, but market is holding on to the upper range. So if market is consolidating, both the side movement is possible. Maybe let's say market will give a breakout, reach 48,000. Later it might start moving towards the downside. So at this upper level, since we have 200 to 250 points range movement possibility towards the upside, what we can do, if market opens flat, moves towards the upside, retest, gives a breakout, small stop loss, as per our risk capacity, maybe 48,000 can be our target. In case Bank Nifty opens with gap down, breaks this trend line, retest and gives a breakdown, With small stop loss, we can plan for a put option where these levels can be our target towards the downside. Now, better put option trading setup will be in case market opens with gap down, breaks this level, retest, and it breaks this zone. Because this is a consolidation zone, if it comes out of the zone, bigger movement is possible towards the downside. Bank Nifty also needs some kind of positive news to move towards the upside. But only difference in Bank Nifty is not yet at all-time high level. It has space to move towards the upside as well as downside. So this has been a deciding range in the market. When it comes out of this range, we can see a decent move. This is what I've been thinking right now. Why I marked this resistance, you can see previously this was the area from where market started to show some bearishness. I don't think at the upper level there is any stop loss, but the big players, if they need, they can push the market first towards the upside to create liquidity and later push Bank Nifty down. That time, after the false breakout, market can perform this rising wedge bearish setup. For many people, avoiding any kind of trade within this range would be better. If it comes out of this range with small quantity, we can try call. If it comes out of this range, we can plan for a put. Global market today was bearish. GIFT Nifty also was indicating a gap down. When many people got ready to enter put option trade, the market trapped everyone. But tomorrow, if market opens flat or gap down, the trend can continue towards the downside. This is my view. Additional details will be shared in the free Telegram channel tomorrow. The link for the Telegram channel is shared in the description box below. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think our content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.